Hi guys, I want to talk about something that happened in Eke Udi community yesterday in Nigeria, where a federal government delegation went to commission an uncompleted project. Yesterday in Nigeria, a federal government-led delegation under the Ministry of Secretary to the federal government went to commission a project that have not been completed in Eke Udi community. Now, there's a project that is called an ecological fund project, a road worth over 400 billion naira that is supposed to be built, that is supposed to be constructed from Eke to Enugu, Ogui Odo to Eke to Amanko, Oma, Eke road. These roads were meant to be constructed for the people of Eke in Udi community to connect different axes of Enugu state. But it happens that and this particular project happens to fall under the office of the Secretary to the federal government. The people came down, the federal government-led delegation, they came down to commission this road that they have not constructed. Get it very well. Guys, they came down to commission a road that have not been constructed. A road of 400 billion. They were given 400 billion to construct a road for these people. But that ecological fund project, the road, have not been constructed. And here somebody came down to commission that road in southeast, in Udi community that is called Eke. When they came down to do this, the people trooped out in mass and they started protesting. We started protesting with their placards, with inscriptions such as fraud unlimited, corruption unlimited, EFCC, where are you? ICPC, where are you? Public Procurement Act has been crucified. They were protesting. They didn't allow the people to commission a project that have not been done. This is what we see in Nigeria. Why would somebody come down all the way from Abuja to Udi community to come and commission a project that have not been done? Because they want to pocket the 400 billion naira. Thank God for the people of this community that rose up. Because if they have kept quiet, they will have commissioned that uncompleted project and they will go back to Abuja. And then maybe they will go on the pages of Vanguard, newspaper, Daily Post, Guardian, Nation, Tribune, and they will begin to say, oh, they have commissioned a project in Southeast, they have commissioned a project in Udi local government, of Eke village, a particular road, they have succeeded in constructing it for the people of Enugu state, but they have not done that project. So how will a reasonable person want to commission a project that have not been done? Do you see why I say sometimes the only way forward in Nigeria is revolution or disintegration, or else this mess will continue? See the kind of mess that we have found ourselves into. We have found ourselves in such a position that people now have boldness to go and commission an uncompleted project. And this project happened to be under the office of the Secretary to the federal government. Then how do you expect the country to move forward? How do you expect the citizens to be happy with that government? If the people did not come out to protest, if the people did not come out with their placards to protest, they would not have commissioned. They would have commissioned that route and go back. Daily Post reported this. So I want to bring to your attention what is happening in this nation. That somebody will wake up to go to Eke, the local government, to go and commission a road project worth over 400 million that they have not done. Simply because they want to go and stash it. They want to go and save it in their account. They want to loot the money. Looting upon looting. Corruption upon corruption. corruption to the point that somebody even has the effrontery to go, to commission a road that have not been constructed. What is happening, guys? And people are keeping quiet. And this same person, this same federal secretary to the federal government, or that office, they will still let them to go unpunished. EFCC will continue to go after Yahoo boys, EFCC and all of them, but they won't go after these criminals. Then how do you want a nation to develop? How do you want a nation to function? How do you not want a nation to go to the next level? If the people in that community did not protest, by now they would have commissioned that uncompleted road and they will go back to Abuja. Somebody will simply eat the money. I've always said it, for something new to come, the old must give way. You cannot pour a new wine into an old wine skin, or the skin will just burst and the wine will be wasted. If Nigeria will experience progress, then the Nigerian people will have to wake up to bring that change, and the change must continue. The change must come, and we have to demand for that change now, or else this whole rubbish, this whole nonsense will continue. Guys, the solution, and I always say the solution to Nigeria problem is revolution or disintegration. Don't forget, this is Wisdom Arena TV. If you like today's topic, please do subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to comment, like, and share, and hit the notification bell so you can always get an update whenever I upload a new video. I would really appreciate it if you can subscribe to this channel to encourage what we are doing on this particular channel. Thank you, and God bless you.